Hi friends, I'm John Laspina, your carnivore teacher. Quick note today about diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and even type 1 diabetes, which really should have different names. We need to teach diabetics 1 and 2 how to cook. Cooking class for diabetics. That's what should be communicated. That's what should be taught by the American Diabetes Association, and they're not doing it. We should not be spending so much time telling diabetics they can manage their disease. Type 2 diabetes is not a disease, ladies and gentlemen. It's a condition that you gave yourself, no offense, by overeating carbohydrates and sugar over a long period of time. You can reverse your type 2 diabetes by learning how to eat properly, learning how to cook your food and eat foods that are ultra, or low in carbohydrate, no carbs, sugars, no seed oils, and you will go into remission, type 2 diabetics, and you won't have diabetes anymore. We should teach diabetics how to cook. Cooking class. Now, type 1 diabetes, same thing. You need to learn how to eat properly. You should also not have lots of carbs and sugar. We should teach diabetics how to cook. Now, the American Diabetes Association offers recipes, and the recipes contain sugar and grains and carbs, and they tell you how to manage your disease that you're going to have for the rest of your life. Why are they saying that? They're saying that because they're sponsored by Big Food, Kellogg's, Coca-Cola. These are sugar companies pretty much, carbohydrate companies. So they put the pressure on the Diabetes Association because they give them millions and millions and millions of dollars. So the Diabetes Association has to put out their recipes. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. It's politics, right? So I encourage you, and I'll put it in the show notes, to check out the Diabetes Society, the American Diabetes Society. Recipes will be offered. We'll teach you how to cook properly and how to go into remission and not have type 2 diabetes anymore. And if you're a type 1 diabetic, you can learn how to cook for yourself properly and manage your genetically inherited autoimmune disease called type 1. This is different. Type 1 and type 2 are very different. But you still need to eat very ultra low carb and sugar, and then your body will function properly. So diabetics, cooking class. Learn how to cook your food, and you can be almost back to normal. Type 2s and type 1s, you'll be managing it almost as if your pancreas is doing it normally. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this content, click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button and share, and thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.